Sometimes the alerts that you have created may bring in more data than expected. If your mention account passes the quota limit provided in your contract, you will receive a message to notify you that quota has been exceeded. When your quota has been exceeded, Mention will stop fetching new mentions until the quota renews after its 30-day quota cycle. If you choose to upgrade your account, your quota will reset to the new quota limit of your upgraded plan. Please note that quota is not a fixed rate per Mention user if you are on a team subscription. Mention subscriptions with multiple team users share the total quota throughout the entire platform. This means that if, for example, you have a total of 10,000 mentions and one of your teammates makes an alert that uses 5,000 mentions, you will only have 5,000 mentions remaining for the entire subscription until the end of the 30-day quota cycle. If you are an admin of a team account and you want to view how much quota you have remaining, click on Account Settings and then click on the Quota tab. Here you will be able to see how many alerts, mentions, social accounts, and team users you have remaining. If you scroll down, you will also be able to see which alerts you have created so far and how much quota each one has consumed. Now that you know how to better manage your mention quota, remember, if your current amount of mentions is not enough, please reach out to either your dedicated account manager if you are on a company plan or to our support team.